Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. Well, I'm glad you are, because today I've got yet another fantastic Skoda Yeti to show you. This one is on a 2012 plate. It comes with full service history, including a timing belt change in 2019. It's been very well looked after. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it. So when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive, you know what it's like. Let's take a look. This is our Skoda Yeti. And as you can see, this one has been incredibly well looked after. For the money, I do not think you can get a better car than this. I absolutely love them. They are so practical, and this one is incredibly cool. It will be delivered to you with a new 12-month MOT. It'll also have a service, an independent workshop ahead of it being delivered to you, and you'll get a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard, but you'll be able to upgrade that to a 12-month one if you so wish. They are brilliant, these cars, very practical. This one's got the 1.6-litre diesel engine, so it comes with fuel economy on the combined cycle of 61 miles per gallon. It's got 104 brake horsepower. We've got 2 keys. It's got a manual gearbox, insurance group 12E, and it's had 2 very careful previous owners. Now, it's got a nice specification, this. I'm going to show you around it, any marks that we've seen. You know, bearing in mind this is a 2012 car, it's done 104,500 miles, 104,500 miles, and do you know what? You can't really tell. Right, let's have a close-up look. Couple of minor little marks just around the lights there, a couple of minor stone chips on the bonnet, a little mark just down here, and a little bit of a mark there. But apart from that, all looking good. Headlights all nice and sparkling. We've got 16-inch alloy wheels. These are called Moon wheels, Moon design. It's the green line model, this, which means it's very economical. 5 doors, so good practicality. Coming down the driver's side, nothing really sticks out at all. Minor blemish here, but nothing major. This alloy wheel, a couple of marks on it, but really nothing major at all. Rear parking sensors, fantastic size boot on these. As you can see, this one's got the official Yeti boot liner, which is a really nice little extra. The rear seats fold down, giving you plenty of space in this. It's positively van-like. Coming down the passenger side, very minor mark I've just seen in the paint there. This alloy wheel, looking good. Nothing else really sticks out, if I'm honest. This alloy wheel, also great condition. Wing mirror, no marks on it. Round the windscreen, no chips. I can see a very, very minor one here, but it is absolutely tiny. And this wing mirror, looking good. Roof rails on it, black roof rails, and we'll jump inside. Jumping inside, we've got 2 keys for this car. It's remote central locking. I'll start it up so you can see there are no warning lights or anything on the dashboard. That's the low fuel it's beating it for. Typical car dealer. Here we've got electric windows all round. You've got electric and heated mirrors. The headlights are switched just down there. You've got steering wheel mounted controls here and here for audio and the dash. As you can see, 104,352 miles. No warning lights, just me not wearing a seatbelt. And there's the handbrake. Over here we've got the radio system. Smart this, it's got CD and MP3 compatibility. There's aux in, obviously radio, and there is a 6-disc auto CD player changer. 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt power socket just down there, and you've got some storage here. Lovely smart interior, I'll show you here. You've got ISOFIX points in the back there. So a great family car this. You even get this nice little practical storage location on the top of the dash. So that's the interior. Let me just show you the size of the glove box, because they are big, and that's the locking wheel nut. And let's have a quick look at the history. Now, in terms of history, this car has been incredibly well looked after. It has had previous services in 2013, 14, 15, all of those at Skoda. Then independent services after that. Again in late 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 2024. And we will of course be giving it a service ahead of delivery to you at an independent workshop. It'll also come with a new 12-month MOT. And all of our cars come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard. And you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise if you so wish. Now this car can be delivered nationwide, so please get in touch with us for a quote and we'll be able to help you with that. And if you've got any questions, you can contact me. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. And there's plenty of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of being a 5-star award-winning dealership here, and that starts with giving people like you the very best treatment. And I look forward to doing that when you come here to give this amazing, iconic Skoda Yeti a test drive. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.